Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, I got another stash ad for or from Ollie's. Um, Went there to see what they had, and they had one of the tri motors left. I don't know what it is about this plane, but I've always liked them. I think just because it's so ugly that it's cool. Um, they were built. What was it? 1920 to 1933, I think it was. Um, Very cool. Uh, Old bird, our Yankee Air Museum up in Michigan. I think they just recently acquired one that's flyable. And I know it's Sandusky, the museum there, they got one too. But anyway, it's just a basic kit. Got four colors. It's basically tri motors, nothing more than aluminum siding. Um, Excuse me, guys. Boxed upside down, but 40 parts, 11.5 wingspan. It's like a cool little kit. I'm used to 172nd and 148th, but this is a 172nd or 177th. So, you know, cool. But yeah, already opened it up, looked at it. It's got some really cool decals, different airline decals, which the TAT is the ones I'll use, the transportation, um, Transcontinental Air Transport Company. And your N numbers, um, some gauges, because the outside of the airplane actually had a couple of the gauges that were on the wing on landing gear pod. But got your Ford tri-motor stickers, your Hamilton standard propeller stickers. Excuse me, decals. Pretty cool. Definitely like it. It's a very simple build, really. There's not a lot to it, so it'll be a quick little build. But there's like no interior, um, which kind of sucks. But um, it's just a cool little bird, though. Yeah, that would be a lot of fun to put together. Like I said, it's just a little guy, so something to hang from the ceiling. But yeah, like I said, it's a basic kit. There's your exhaust. Um, the engine nacelles. Pretty cool. There's the motors. Oh, excuse me, guys. The cylinders, the propeller. Pretty simple. Pretty simple little build, like I said. Um, then you got all your decals. So that'll be a fun build. You got like three different decal combinations you can do the aircraft as. And excuse me. Sorry guys, I've been house sitting for the last week and a half and haven't had a heck of a lot of sleep, but here's the wing. It's corrugated metal. Very simple. There's the left hand fuselage. the wing undersides. And dun dun dun, the fuselage side for the right side, co-pilot side, and the fuselage underside. Very cool. And like I said, there ain't a whole lot of stuff to build on it. It's 40 parts, so yeah. I guess I shouldn't film at night. But there's your horizontal stabilizer. Not exactly sure what that is. Landing gear parts and cylinder heads, propellers, landing gear, engine struts. It's kind of funny. It's got some Eskimos. That's a trip. It's got 2 Eskimos and 3 dogs. Might have to put the Eskimos and the dogs in the plane like they're some kind of a passenger. It's got skis. Snow skis. That's kind of cool. Then your 3 radial engines. So, like I said, guys, it's going to be a fun build. Like I said, it's not anything real extensive or whatever, but it'll just be a fun, something to build. And of course, get the glass, cockpit glass in your side windows. So, yeah, that's it. Yeah, like I said, Ollie's another one of the Ollie's kits. Ollie's kind of seems to be the place to go for model kits lately. I just can't get into the Mustang or the Viper kit that they have. They did have another Nomad there, but I've already got one. But it would be kind of cool. They start getting some other, hot rod cars. But they had an Apache helicopter, but the box was destroyed, so I wasn't gonna chance getting that. But anyway, guys, like I said, I just want to do an unboxing and basic go through of this pretty sweet little bird from Ollie's. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it, and you guys stay tuned for more cool stuff to come. Gonna be doing more model building, and now I'm back home. Gonna be getting more RC stuff happening and all that. So, all right, guys, take care, stay safe out there, and thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.